Our journey as a civil engineer start with the cement. Cement is the backbone of concrete, and concrete is the main skeleton of our projects. Without the concrete, we cannot even think any project in nowadays. And cement is the main component of that concrete. So, in order to get the proper concrete, we need to know very well, or we need to understand what is cement, what is the chemical composition of cement, and how it is produced, so we can do a better concrete. In today's video, I will discuss how the cement is produced, mainly the ordinary Portland cement, and what is the chemical composition, or what is the chemical composition is there, and then we can understand how it is react with the water and it give us a concrete or strength and the durability. So let's jump into the subject. What is the chemical composition of cement and how to produce the cement? And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So start with chemical composition of cement. First is, what is the cement raw material we are using when you are doing in a factory or in the plant? That is lime, silica, alumina, and iron oxide. It is the main chemical raw material for the cement production in the plant. And the next, we will know how the cement manufacturing process is there, not in depth, but in a nutshell, we know that there are 6 steps that cement has produced. The first step is mining of raw materials and preparation. That means limestone, clay, shale are extracted from quarries, and then raw material crushed and transported to the plant. The first stage is whatever the raw material we need to extract from the quarries, and it is to be crushed and then transported to the plant. Now, the next steps is raw material grinding and blending. The crushed raw materials are ground into a fine powder in a raw mill. The resulting raw mix is homogeneous to ensure consistent composition. What is the composition? That is a different composition, and according to that, different types of cement is produced. So that composition is there, and according to that composition, we need to place that all the raw material when we are making a fine powder in a raw mill. The third step is clinker formations or clinkerizations, what is called. What's that? That is, the raw mix is heated in a rotary kiln at a high temperature, about 1400 to 1500 degrees centigrade. That means whatever the raw material or the fine powder we prepare in a proportionate mix, that to be heated in rotary kiln in high temperature. So 1400 degrees centigrade is a huge temperature. Then chemical reaction occur, leading to the formation of clinkers nodules. So whenever we are heating that mix, and there is a chemical reaction happen, and the clinker nodules will form. These are the third steps. And the fourth step is clinker cooling. Now, the hot clinker is rapidly cooled in a cooler to retain its crystalline structure. So we have given 1400 degrees centigrade. Now we make it to rapid cooling so that the crystalline structure will remain. The fourth step is clinker cooling. The fifth step is clinker storage and the grinding. What's that? Clinker is stored in silos. Then before cement production, clinker is grounded with gypsum in cement mill to produce cement powder. So that clinker to be produced as a cement. And these are the final product that cement has produced. And then the 6 steps is cement packing and distribution. The cement is packed in bags or in bulk container. The packed cement is distributed to the different market for used in constructions. So these are the 6 steps for the cement production. And now we will know what is the main composition of cement. That is very much important because it will help us to understand how the cement is react whenever we are adding water into the concrete, and how it will give the strength and the durability. So what is the main components of Portland cement? That today we are discussing only about the Portland cement. Other cement we will discuss and in another video. But first things, we need to know what is the main components of the OPC or the ordinary Portland cement. There are 4 substances in the ordinary Portland cement. That is tricalcium silicate. Its oxide composition is 3CaO SiO2, and for the abbreviated form, how we say abbreviated form, how we denote that one. That means C3S. That means 3 molecule carbon, 3 molecule CaO and 1 molecule SiO2. Then another part is dicalcium silicate, that is 2CO and SiO2. It is again abbreviated form is C2S. That means 2 molecule of CaO and 1 molecule SiO2. And third is tricalcium aluminate, 3CaO Al2O3, C3AO, CaO and Al2O, the aluminum oxide and calcium oxide. And the fourth is tetracalcium aluminoferrite, 4CaO Al2O3 Fe2O3. It's a combined complex molecule, and it is defined as C4AF. So in the ordinary Portland cement, there are 4 main components, that is C3S, C2S, C3A, and C4AF. And what is C3S? That means 3CaO, SiO2, and that which is known as tricalcium silicate. And what is dicalcium silicate? C2S, tricalcium aluminate C3F, and tricalcium aluminate C4AF. So these are the main compound. But what is the percentage in the mix? This is also, we need to know what is the mix proportion, what is the percentage of that 4 element and oxide also. We need to know. These first things in oxide, the CaO, calcium oxide, 60 to 67% is present in the ordinary Portland cement. Then SiO2 is 17 to 25%. Al2O3 is 3 to 8%. Fe2O3 0.5 to 6%. And then MgO 0.1 to 4. Alkali is 0.2 to 1.3, and SO3 is 1 to 3%. These are the oxide percentage is present in the ordinary Portland cement, because these are all the oxide is reacting with the water and give the hardened paste or the strength and durability of the concrete. These are the oxide present and in the ordinary Portland cement, and these are the composition. Now we need to know what is the composition of C3A, and this is the oxide. But whenever they are making this 4 main parts, C4, C3A, C2S, C3AF, and the Al4O3, then what is the percentage? See, C3A is 10.8, C3S is 54.1, C2S 16.6, C4AF 9.1, and a minor compound is negligible. So main part is C3S, and it gives the more strength of the concrete. So next video, we will know how these 4 component is reacting with the water whenever we are adding water into the mix, and how they making a complex molecule, and how they give the strength and durability of the concrete. So now today's video is only these 4 is the main component or main composition of the ordinary Portland cement, and these are whenever reacting, and whatever the reaction that we will discuss in the next video. And whatever other type of cement, that is the mixing proportion is the make whenever they are making the mixing proportion and the material has changed, and accordingly the other type of cement also produced, like slag cement, Portland pozzolana cement, white cement, rapid hardening cement, etc. So in another video, I will discuss the difference between the different types of cement. And for next, in this video, this is all about the what is the chemical percentage and the chemical composition of the ordinary Portland cement, and how the ordinary Portland cement is prepared. I hope you enjoy this video and you find this information useful. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notifications. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments, and with your valuable comments, everybody will get benefited. And I'm open to accept your suggestions, so that I can come with the more content like this. And thank you once again for watching me.